Planning ensures consistency, but adding spontaneity can make your content more engaging. Let's look at how to combine both for a well-rounded strategy in this video's lesson. In my experience, creating live or spontaneous content can be challenging, but it often yields the most engaging results. Live content, because it's unplanned and immediate, can offer a surprising and authentic experience for your audience. For instance, when Facebook Live first launched, I used to stream NCAA football games from the sidelines, capturing real-time moments with players. This kind of content provides an experience that you can't get from just watching TV. That said, it's also important to have a content calendar. It's crucial to consider using a planning tool to effectively manage your content strategy. So why is planning essential? It simplifies the coordination of your campaigns, so you're not scrambling each week trying to figure out what to post. I've had many moments in my career where I found myself stressed about last-minute posts because I hadn't planned ahead. Trust me, I learned early on that planning is crucial. You don't need an elaborate content calendar. Even a simple one will suffice. Here's a practical tip. You can create a content calendar using Google Slides. Just add your images and text into the slides, then export the slides as JPEGs to use as social media posts. It's an easy way to visualize and organize your content. If you're struggling with finding images and videos, consider using stock photo and video libraries. Even AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and HeyGen can help you create creative assets now. Just know that using stock content or AI can streamline your process. You can also use spreadsheets for content planning. Another tip is to leverage Google Slides for content planning, which can be especially useful if you're presenting to executives who prefer quick, digestible formats. Planning ahead not only boosts productivity, but also helps maintain control over your branding and messaging. Consider implementing content time blocking, where you dedicate a full day to creating content. For example, by spending a single day shooting multiple videos or capturing various images, you can produce enough material to last the entire month or few months. This approach to content creation helps you stay organized and reduces last-minute stress.